Hello everybody. Well, it's Wolf here, but with Valkoor. Hi. So I'm going to be narrating. Okay. Alright, so Valkoor knows that I'm narrating, so he won't really be speaking much. So we're going to be looking at Valkoor's Winter Wind Tower. This is another wizard on my account, as you probably know if you've been here a while. So we're going to be looking at his house today. This might be a pretty long one, because he's got a lot to show. So Valkoor, let's go when you're ready. Alright. So, he has turned this place into his very own candy store. Yep, you heard it. That is a candy store. Let's see how he did it. First, we're going to show the outside. So, he's got two confetti cannons here as you walk in. We've got trees and it's snowing. Of course it is. Winter Wind Tower. Got some gummy worms. Got some of these mint. Wait, what are they called? Winter mints. Got some bunnies. Got a little kiddie pool. I have no idea how that's still water. It's still water, so I can play in it. Okay. Don't question that logic. The lollipop flowers. Got some pets around. We've got some gummy rabbits. Keep following the path here. We've got some more. We've got this room. And more winter snowman. We've got some marshmallows trying to keep warm by the fire. We've got a carousel. We've got all these gummy bears. We've got little ice throne that they like to sit on. Dragonflies all playing. That lover. Snowmen. All around. They're all around the Christmas tree. Oh. I'm not sure if you guys heard that, but there's thunder outside right now as I'm recording this. These gummy pets, and if you go past this zebra and in through here, there's a whole another part of the house. So it's a bit of an obstacle course you have to go through. We've got her cutting down the trees too. She doesn't like them there. Right, so here's the fishing area. Got a statue of Grandmother Raven. You can fish here. Do some fishing. I can see one. There's some flowers around. Yeah, you can see another part of his house. Let's go over there now. Let's go through here again. Right, so now we can go over here to the arena. So here, we've got the battle arena, we've got a Pegasus statue, we've got the Bulldozer. See, proof, the Bulldozer. Just in case you thought I used castle magic to make him bigger, I didn't. I've astrologized him, and we've got the Uber Bear here too. He doesn't look very happy, but they like watching wizards duel. So, yeah. Don't eat them. Alright, so next up here, around here, we've got a secret place where where Valkoor keeps his spiral cup. It's guarded by a gobbler, so you can't really get in. So we're gonna have to try and get a view from here, somehow. In there, as you can see. Now it's pouring down rain. I'm gonna try and speak louder. Alright, so it's got the Velcro ropes, you can't go in. It's fully protected. So let's go back around to the other side of the house. We can take a look at that. So, oh, it stopped snowing here. Alright. So we've got some little mushrooms, we've got some glaciers, we've got a hammer. Nobody's been able to get that out. We've got a seesaw I can play on. I'm gonna go get a friend. Whoever got. I got Kuska. Yay! We can both play on the seesaw together. Whee! Let's get a view. Whee! This is so fun. Right, you can stay there and sit on the seesaw. And I'm going to go look around more. So these are chocolate mousse. They're like the licorice forest. Look at these gummy bunnies, licorice forest. No eating. Gotta remind you. And we've got some like rats living here. We've got a tent. And they've gone fishing. And this is the gumdrop forest, a mini gumdrop forest. Like this is where we farm the candy. We've got licorice here, gumdrops here. And we've got some moose running around, some little baby moose. We like the gumdrop forest. We've been collecting them, as you can see. We've been harvesting them and putting them in little boxes. We've got pickles, you name it. There's a lot of things in here. They like to hang out in there. Same as the licorice forest. Bye. We've got these crystal lamps. We can craft them. And if we go up here, we've got these bunnies. We've got statues. We've got a little bird. Again, how is this water not ice? We're not going to let Valkoor answer that one. We've got some plants. Because one of Valkoor's talents is that he can grow anything, anywhere. That's a pretty cool talent that he has. Might just move you around. That was a big one. That was a big boom. Alright. And that's happening the minute I'm showing off my Zeus statue. That's fun though. Alright, we've got more trees. We've got these guys just casually eating at lunch table. Got one eating chicken, and we got one eating cake. And let's just leave them to eat in peace. Right, so we're behind the castle. We've just got a lookout tower. I don't know why we have that, but we do. Right, so I can't remember, is there anything up here? I don't think there is. We go up here. Yeah, I haven't put anything up here yet. Stay tuned, I might put something up there. Right, so we're going to go inside the store now. It gets a bit laggy when I go in here because there's so much stuff. Alright, so here's everything that's new. This is the table of new things. What's new? We've got new cake, we've got some fruit cake. We've got this. Don't put your hand near it. It'll bite. We've got some cookies, a pie, more cookies, some chocolate coins. I actually have more chocolate coins here from, I got some from a friend for some reason. Right, so I got this stack of gummy bears. Got some gummy bears on sale. Ooh, this guy's viewing. Wonder if he'll buy one. We've got our shopkeeper right here. He's been paying him crowns, gold. And you can, on the way out, you can get some gumballs. And we've got music playing. You can hear it. Right, so we've got ice cream. We've got gumdrops. We've got this brass monkey. one of Wolf's from Beast Man when he got the badge. Oh yeah, that area is forbidden. You're not allowed in there. That area is forbidden. We've got some candy here, we've got some pie, cream pie. We've got a Christmas tree, it's like Christmas. We've got a cupcake, it's a star. Like a little faded star around the cupcake. I left some cookies out for Santa. We've got some melons, we've got some like marshmallows. We've got birthday cakes. Oh, we've got outfits here. This is like outfits you can get. Yeah. And we've got some sundaes. Some books about gobstones. I've got some candy canes, peppermints. This is like party, like all the party stuff. And you can take a plush home with you. These are the plushies we got right now. One of them moves. It's great. And we got some Easter eggs over here. One of them's a chocolate bunny. Easter eggs, some chocolate bunnies. We've got one chocolate bunny. We've got these hams. We've got this. That's like take around for tea. We've got some posters on the walls. They're all around. We've got these books, you know, maps and information about the place. We've got a rubbish bin. Nobody's been throwing any rubbish in there. Cupcakes and some cupcake flowers. Well, those are extremely rare. That's why I've only got 4. But you're allowed to eat them. Alright, so let's go into... Oh, that's loud. You know, I might stop it here until the rain calms down. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. Turns out it was a big storm and it knocked out the power. So let's continue this house tour. So here we've got a room, there's a magic show going on. It's quite interesting. Some seats you can watch. It's like an illusionist room. Stage. Got the Pigswick student who's performing for us today. Right. So, and over here on the left side of the room, we have the Nana fish in a party tank. Seats over here so you can gather around and watch it if you want to sit down. She has the whole tank to herself because she's quite greedy. It's that room. So, you know, she's a big part of Caramel, candy store. Right, so we've been through this room. That's the actual candy store. This bottom part right here. Now, no one's allowed past here. But since I'm giving a tour, we're allowed past. So this is like my part of the house. Valkoor's. This is like his favorite part. Right, so we've got here. We've got like the dinner place. We can set it up like Thanksgiving. Look at all that food. I must have a lot of guests. Got fire going. Got the Christmas spirit happening, even though it's Thanksgiving, whatever. And here you can just teleport to whatever it says. Whatever the magic mirror says, you can teleport there. In case you didn't know that. We're not going to do that now because we've already given a tour of everything. Now, this is my bedroom. Well, this is Valkoor's bedroom. And this is his bed. This is his friend's bed. He has a very close friend. He's a fire wizard. So we've got his drawers. Got his pet fish. We've got his pet bunnies. never really come out of there. I guess they're tired. Got a Rattlebones trophy. Got presents under the Christmas tree. I've got some towels. Monkey. Toy monkey. Yeah, this is where I live. Well, I actually live in here. But that's for another video. This is just if I want to sleep over at the candy store. Alright, so let's go to this part of the hall. Now this is the king of the candy store. Got jewelry. We have to bow. We have to bow as we come in. It's his pet. Got a cat wrapped in the present. It really loves the present. You know how much cats love boxes. So there's his throne. Here he is. He'll allow us past this point, but normally you're only allowed to go here. So I've got some crowns, some chests, gold, gems, some presents. It's got a golden floor. So let's move on. So in here, it can't be a candy store without goblins. Here's her bed. Here she is. Hi. She's got a cupcake. It's got very messy. Very messy. She destroyed our painting by the looks of it. We got a Goblin King painting too. Alright, we're just gonna leave her be. Alright, so we've got the balcony over here. Gives you an idea how big the place is. So you can see all over here, see it all. Everything I just showed you. So now we're going to go back in. We're going to go to the next room, which is another gobbler. This one is a peach gobbler. He's quite rude. He doesn't really like to speak. His room doesn't look as messy. His table doesn't look as messy. He's got some drawers. Yeah, his room's cleaner than hers. He must be very itchy. Yeah, see, he's quite rude. Got a picture of a Gobbler King. He's got his bed. His room's all orange, like peach color. So we've got this room next, which is the queen of the candy store. She's got treasure and jewels, got the same, but she's got more of like an orange floor. And she's got some gold, lucky pot of gold. Normally you wouldn't be allowed to take, but since I'm the owner, so she likes to do some warm-up stretches and stuff. She's got another cat and a present, but it's blue present. Got a chair she can sit on, got her throne. Yeah. All this wonderful stuff. So, we're going to bow. Oh. Going to bow? What? Oh, there we go. I guess you gotta be here to bow. So, I'll just leave her be now. And now we've got this goblin's room. The cherry goblin. He's not as rude. So he's got some newspapers on the floor, his bed. Got his food. Alright, his room's the cleanest of them all. See? Hi. How you going? You're itchy. You're very itchy too. We've got Goblin King painting. We've got a cool Christmas theme. Even got some cherries on his walls. Nice. So, that was the complete tour of my Winterwind Tower. So, if you enjoyed, please watch more videos. So everybody, goodbye.